Dude, where have you been? I've been looking for you for like 9 months.
Been asleep for 9 months?
Yeah, you have. Viewers are asking about you.
Really?
I mean, chill out. I mean, not that many, okay, big fella. I mean, what do you do? What are you reading anyway?
How to have a successful YouTube channel?
Yeah? I mean, you do understand that you have to make a video in order to
Well, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I want to make...
succeed and have success.
Yeah, no, I want to make videos. I do. I want to make some videos. I was just, I was just trying to...
Okay, good.
Yeah, no, I was just trying to understand the YouTube algorithm.
Yeah, how's that going for you? How's that going for you?
Okay, it's not not going so good. It's not going so good. I just want to make videos again. I want to have fun. I want to just, do the thing. I mean,
hey, I'm happy for you. I'm happy you're doing your thing. Take some time with the people here. Explain yourself. And yeah, I mean, we'll probably do this again. We like to,
Yeah. Okay.
All right, bye.
No, thanks for waking me up.
Yeah, I've been sorry. It's crazy how fast the weeks go by. I don't want to have a lot of excuses here, y'all, but I kind of got stuck on this one video. It was like a fail video, and then it was like kind of like a learning lesson video, and I couldn't piece it together, and then like 1 week went by, then 2 weeks went by, and then I'm like, I've kind of got off my rhythm of weekly videos, and then next thing I know, time's flying by, and then my friend, bless him, bless his heart, really, he gave me one of these things. Y'all, I didn't really have one before. I've had like kind of one at periods of time in my life, shared one. This thing's powerful. This thing is friggin' powerful. Crypto market started going up. Next thing I know, anyway, weeks turned into months. I've been wanting to get back into the rhythm of making videos, and now I'm finally doing it. So here I am. It's been an interesting time on the planet. I will say I've kind of, I've got a little down at times with the whole like global pandemic thing or whatever's going on. It's weird. And I have been trying to rev my engine for a long time. And I will say the final catalyst, how do I put this for y'all? So I'm getting into the NFT world. I know. Call me crazy. Go ahead. Do it. Call me. All right, y'all. Okay, cool. I'm going to do some commercials coming up. So, take it or leave it. I'm going to try to have fun with it. You can just watch them and enjoy them, or you just, you don't have to watch them at all, right? But I'm also going to, do some of the videos I've recorded over the past while, try to edit them together and get them onto the YouTube. I appreciate all the patrons that have hung in there during this, like, long spell. Seriously, thank you. Really, thank you very much. Thanks for the comments. Like, a lot of y'all's comments have just, they just fill me up. They're so nice. Y'all are so kind. And I want to do the thing. So I might mind to be doing it every week. It's crazy how fast a week goes by. I got my, my plate is full. It's full of goodness, but it's just hard to keep up with it all. So I'm going to do the videos the best I can. I'm going to try to be as regular as I can. I will be so happy if I can do one a month. Really, honestly. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm going to set the bar low. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out this video. I don't want it to be too long. We got plenty of news for y'all, and thanks for watching till the end. Ciao for now. All right, we're going to do this thing. We are. Hey, guys.
Hey.
So good to see you. You guys want to make some videos again, like old times?
Sure.
Oh. That happened fast.
Where have you been, hon? What, are you making videos again? Okay, I'll see you.
I guess I have been busy. Hi.